Hi, today in front of me HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings and then tap to the home screen and wallpaper section. Click to wallpaper and just to select new wallpaper you should use photos from your device gallery or just default wallpapers from your device. Also you could use more wallpapers. This is the online wallpapers. For example, let's use this wallpaper. Tap on the right down corner to OK and click to lock screen. Just here wait a second. Now just let's lock our device. And we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just pinch to customize your home screen, then click on the left down corner to wallpaper, and by the same way select one from these available wallpapers, tap to right down corner, tap to lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.